Welcome to my channel. Virgin router Ethernet not working? Easy solution. Step 1. Check the Ethernet cable. Make sure the Ethernet cable is plugged in firmly on both the router and your device. If possible, try a different cable to rule out cable damage. Step 2. Verify the router port. Move the Ethernet cable to another LAN port on your Virgin router. A faulty port can stop the connection from working. Step 3. Restart the router. Turn off the router, unplug it for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Wait until all the lights become stable. Step 4. Restart your device. Restart your computer, gaming console, or smart TV. This refreshes the network connection and often fixes temporary issues. Step 5. Check the Ethernet adapter. Open your device's network settings and make sure the Ethernet adapter is enabled. Disable and enable it again if needed. Step 6. Test another device. Connect a different laptop or PC using the same Ethernet cable. This helps determine whether the problem is with the router or the original device. Step 7. Update network drivers. If you're using a Windows PC, update the Ethernet network driver through Device Manager or your computer manufacturer's website. Step 8. Disable VPN or security software. Some VPNs or firewall programs can block network access. Temporarily disable them and check if the Ethernet connection starts working. Step 9. Reset network settings. Reset your device's network settings to remove incorrect configurations. Reconnect to the router after the reset is complete. Step 10. Factory reset the router. If nothing else works, press and hold the router's reset button for about 10 seconds. After the reset, set up your Virgin router again and test the Ethernet connection. Thanks for watching.